Mulago was able to treat what was within their ability. And the accused remains grateful for their help. Probably he would not be here. And now the recommendations. As found at page 8, give the way forward. Number 1, that he should continue with his treatment of hypertension. Number 2, that he should live in a well-ventilated environment due to his post-COVID-19 lung condition. Number 3 concludes that the ENT conditions are irreversible and he should continue on his current medicines. Four, that he should continue with his current methodology of controlling non-erosive gut in hiatus hernia symptoms. By using diet, posture adjustments, and the PPI medicines as prescribed by his physicians. Finally, of more interest is that the accused should have spinal review by his primary spine surgeons in India. To reevaluate him for the persistent upper limbs radiculitis. Mulago could not repeat MRI investigations, and they gave their reason. Because, and I quote, "We are unable to ascertain the compatibility of the implants that is the artificial disc and that were used for his primary spine surgery with the MRI scan available." In your direction, Your Worship, to prisons, you did instruct particularly in order number 5, that the officer in charge of Murchison Bay prison shall ensure that the applicant continues to receive all prescribed medication and appropriate medical care pending and following the assessment, and shall implement the recommendations of the attending specialists. Your Honor, that is his life, both outside and in prison. Indeed, we wrote to the Commissioner General of Prisons on 7th July 2026 and we did upload these documents on ICMIS and requested for a certificate in respect of the accused's health status. Oh yes. Courtesy demanded that we put them on ICMIS. My land friend Judith received the same on ICMIS. I know that she wants to have a physical copy.
It will be printed, Council. No worries.
I painfully declined to give it. Why? Because she has also not been courteous. She would have told me that she's committing. Client. And the prison's authorities responded to our request for a certificate. Via the letter dated 8th July, the following day, 2026.
The same has been uploaded on ICMIS?
Yes, Your Worship. And we are grateful for their courtesy. Since they are lawyer, was once courtesy. I'll give high copy. The conclusion, the summary of their letter, Your Worship, was that we wish to inform you that Mulago National Referral has already provided a comprehensive medical report containing adequate clinical findings, relevant information, and professional recommendations regarding the patient's condition. In view of the above, and since you're already in possession of the said medical report, you are advised to rely on and utilize the same for the intended proceedings as sufficiently addresses pertinent medical issues. In other words, it's a concurrence. Now, with those, Your Honor, now that your hands are tied in providing bail, we pray as follows. 1, that your remand instructions include an order, because I know you're going to remand him, and with a smile, you're going to remand him with an order that the prison's authorities transfer the accused person to Fortis Memorial Hospital in India. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram, in India, under guard and protection, the same way he was guarded in Mulago. We appreciate that he is a prisoner and he will remain a prisoner. Number 2, that he be allowed a caretaker in form of his wife. Who shall be moved at the accused's expense. Again, painfully. They move their prisoner. The wife will move herself separately at her cost. Your Worship, that the accused while in hospital be allowed visitors that are able to visit him. I didn't make the same prayer for Mulago because I imagined the kind of influx and population. With the Gurugram, the numbers will definitely be limited. We pray that while in India, in hospital, he be afforded available consular services as a citizen. In that upon recovery or improvement, upon discharge, he be remanded back to Luzira, Murchison Bay, as a discharged patient under medical observation. That upon discharge from hospital in India, he be remanded again to Murchison, to be received in Murchison Bay as a discharged patient. You know, there are now two forms of discharge from hospital. We are not talking about from prison yet. Under medical observation. The accused is willing to deposit his passport with prison authorities to facilitate that process, if you be pleased, offer the same. In the alternative, and pending that, we pray for the following in order to manage the other conditions. Your Worship, in the previous hearing, we did raise the concern of the accused's tinnitus pillow. that he used before, used in Mulago, having been dismantled by prison's authorities. I want to believe owing to its nature.